If you want to know how much I have earned on Preply.com teaching people online, you should watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to show you how much I have earned through my entire career on Preply.com as an online tutor. And apart from that, I'll also show you the statistics. I'll also show you the number of classes that I've done, how my journey in Preply has been in the last few years. And I'm going to also tell you a very interesting fact about my personal career on Preply.com, which not many people know. So if you're watching this video and you are also willing to start your career on Preply.com as an online teacher, I'm sure this video is going to inspire you a lot and put a lot of hope in your thoughts. Okay, so I'm creating this video with a lot of passion, a lot of dedication to this particular segment of earning money online, which is online teaching. I'm very happy that all this while you have been watching these videos that I've been creating, and for last couple of videos I've got a lot of responses. I've got a lot of questions from you guys. I've also created some FAQ videos. If you have not checked those, you can check those as well. And this particular video I've created a couple of years back, actually in 2019, and I got a huge response for that video as well. So I'm creating one more video now, which is for 2021. Okay, and I'm going to show you my latest earnings till now, whatever I've earned, my lifetime earnings in this particular video. So watch this video till the end. If you're here for the first time or you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe, so that I create these kind of videos on online teaching, on making money online, on freelancing, and also on working from home. So without any further ado, I'll take you to my computer screen and show you my lifetime earning on Preply.com. Thanks a lot for watching. So this is Preply.com. When you open Preply.com, you'll see something like this. They keep changing this picture, so it may be a little different when you log in. Okay. Now on the top, you can see that they have dedicated this area for the students who want to learn different languages. Okay. And then if you scroll down, they will say the different ways that they want the students to be engaged on Preply.com. And then you can also request for a private tutor using this button here. Now this section talks about how Preply works, and it is very important. Like if you really want to know as a student how it will benefit you, you can go through this section. And when you scroll down, you can see this part which says tutor with Preply. This is where you can become a tutor. You can click on this button and it will take you to a registration page where you can register yourself as a tutor on Preply.com. Now on this exact theme, I have created a video on the last video that I published. If you have not seen that video, you can go there and watch the video. There I have described the entire process of how you can become a tutor on Preply.com. Okay, alright. Now it says over 100,000 students join us monthly. That's the volume that Preply gets. Okay, and you can start your learning. If you're a student, you can start learning from here as well. Alright, so without any further ado, this is what Preply is. Preply is actually a online platform where you can learn a lot of things, including the languages. It is focused on languages. However, you can learn and teach different things like mathematics and science and Excel, many things. Okay, so you can come here and actually search for different options that they have. Okay, but whatever you see, the focus is actually on the different languages of the world. Okay, so now let's go to my profile and see how I have fared in the previous few years on Preply.com as an online tutor. Okay, so let's go to my profile. So this is my profile on Preply.com. You can see my name here. Alright, so I'm a native Hindi and Bengali speaker, expert in English communication. You can see that I've changed this headline, okay, from the last video that I made in 2019. Many things have changed here. You can see there are a lot of other languages that I've added, and I have 21 reviews as of now. I've completed 1188 lessons. Okay, and currently the price that I have, or the fees that I have on Preply.com is $14 per hour. Okay, if you're looking to start online teaching on Preply.com, you can come here and check my profile, and you can check the video that I've created for myself, and you can actually take some inspiration from this as well. And here is about the tutor. Here I have written about myself. If you click on this show more button, you'll see everything that I've written here, and the link to my profile will be there in the description. You can get it from there as well. Alright, next, if you scroll down, you can see the 21 reviews that I have. Different students have written different reviews. You can go through them as well, and that will give you an idea of how good or bad a tutor I am on Preply.com. Again, if you are someone who's looking to learn something on Preply.com and you would like my profile, please feel free to contact me directly. You can message me here in this video, or you can just contact me through Preply, and you can take my lessons as well. Okay, alright, now let's see how you can withdraw the money. Okay, so here you can see that I have accumulated 154.78 USD. Now I can withdraw this amount to my bank account directly. To do that, I can come here and click on withdraw money. Alright, so here you can see that there are 4 different options to withdraw money. One is Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, and the new one is TransferWise. Now TransferWise does not work in India as of now, so you cannot use it. Okay, so you can choose whichever you have, either Payoneer, PayPal, or Skrill. For Payoneer, you need to actually send your email ID, which is connected to your Payoneer account, to the Preply support, and they will connect your Payoneer account. Okay, for PayPal and Skrill, you can directly enter your email ID here in this slot and click on send the payment. For Skrill also, you can directly enter your email, which is connected to Skrill, and you send you the payment to your Skrill account. Okay, so I'm going to use Payoneer for now because Payoneer gives me the best rate. If you do not have a Payoneer account, you can check in the description. I'll leave a link through which you can actually create your own account on Payoneer. Okay, so once you have done that, you can click on this send the payment, and it will say that payment has been sent. Money will be transferred to your account within 1 hour. I've created a specific video on how you can transfer money from Preply account. If you have not checked that video, please go to the description or scroll through my channel. You'll find that video as well. So once you cross this, you'll get this amount will become 0, and you can see that this amount has become 0, which means there is nothing left on my account to withdraw. Okay, now to see the lifetime earnings on Preply.com, there are 2 ways. One is to come here and see the export history. Once you click on this export history, you'll get an Excel sheet with all the exports that you have made, or all the withdrawals that you have made on Preply.com so far. That is one way. There you can go and do it manually, like I have shown you in the previous video that I created 2 years ago. But now Preply has also given a new tab which says statistics, and everything is actually described or shown up on that statistic page. So let's go to statistics page and see my lifetime earning on Preply.com. Alright, so this is the statistics page. Now initially there's some performance rating, you can see on the top, and profile attractiveness. So these are the things which actually determine where will your profile list when somebody searches for that particular tutor. Like if somebody is searching for a Hindi tutor, where will your profile list, whether it will be on page number 2, page number 10, page number 1, where it will be based on this profile attractiveness. Okay, alright, so if you scroll down, you can see here which says earnings. Now this is my lifetime earning. You can see this option all time written here. This is my lifetime earning on Preply.com. Now right now it is showing $5,471. If I convert this into Indian money, $5,471 USD to INR, it will come something around 4 lakhs 12,000, I guess 12,874 rupees, okay, in today's currency or today's rate. Okay, so around 4 lakhs is my entire lifetime earning on Preply.com. Okay, you may say that it's not too much, you may say it's not something very substantial, but then you need to understand that this is my part-time earning. I'm not working on Preply full-time. It's only a part of my day where I get engaged on Preply.com. Okay, now it's time for the surprise that I talked about in the initial part of this video. What is that surprise? I kept telling this to a lot of people on Preply's official Facebook page and unofficial pages online that I have not earned on Preply for over 14 or 15 months. Okay, nobody believed me. Now in this video I'm showing you live, and you can see that I joined Preply in September 2017. Okay, and the first time when I earned was in December 2018. Okay, and among these months, for all these 15 months, I did not earn a single penny on Preply.com. Okay, you can see this yourself. Now this is what I keep telling people, that you need to be very persistent with what you do. Even after December 2018, I did not earn a lot. You can see there are some months where I did not earn anything. Okay, or even if I earned, it was very low. However, just before the pandemic started, okay, in or after the pandemic started, around April 2020, my earnings on Preply.com started to grow. Okay, this is the curve that you can see now. Okay, now after this I have earned, even though I've been working the same part-time on Preply, I've been earning good amount based on the number of hours that I actually work. Okay, so on an average, you can see actually my earnings started from around 2020 or maybe November 2019. Okay, since then I've earned this much money. So it's not bad, I feel. Okay, what do you think? Please let me know in your comment section. So that's all I have in this statistics page, where I've shown you my lifetime's earning on Preply.com. If you have any queries, if you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to ask. So that was my lifetime earning on Preply.com as an online tutor. I hope you liked this video. I've tried to show you all the important statistics, all the important numbers that you would want to know or want to track when you start your career or when you are teaching online on Preply. Preply gives us this entire statistics page where we can see all those numbers that I've shown you already. So watch out for those, keep a track on those, and keep yourself motivated to do better and better on Preply.com. This particular website or this particular platform has done a lot to my own career. Okay, so that's all I have in this video. Thanks a lot for watching it till the end, and I'm sure you have got a lot of information from this video. If you like this video, please give me a like, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And again, if you are coming here for the first time and you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, because I create this kind of videos very regularly. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel.